The more I get of you. What's up, my good people? We are back with a new episode of Lazy Chef, and today, I kid you not, you guys, I am going to show you how to make a cookie in a minute. Yes, guys, a cookie in a minute. No oven required. So let's just get straight into the video. So today we will be making some chocolate cookies. You can use Nutella, you can use chocolate spread. Again, it's up to you. So let's start. You will need 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using a teaspoon, so I'm going to put 4. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We're going to use an egg yolk, just the yolk though. We don't need the white. You have to break it in a way where you can separate. Or not, but yeah. I'll just have to take out the yolk before I break it. A 1/4 cup flour. And then we're gonna put the chocolate. You don't need so much, probably like 1 tablespoon. So again, I'm using a teaspoon, so I'm just gonna put 2. And then we are going to mix that all up until it's like a dough-ish, I guess. I usually even prefer using my hands because it's easier to mix with. Just mix everything together. It's supposed to look like a dough, like the one for either mandazi or chapati or something. You have to mix everything together until it hardens, like knead it in. All the flour mixes in well. With all the butter and all the chocolate. Depending on how many cookies you're going to make. This is going to make probably like 2 or 3. So depending on how many cookies you're going to make, you just add more ingredients. And then you can add what you want. I'm going to add like chocolates. I'm going to break in actual chocolates in real quick, just to give it like a more chocolate chip-ish texture. But you can add nuts if you want. You can add whatever. And mix it all together again. My container, everything is done because I've mixed it all in. And then just take a normal plate, like a microwavable plate, and then you can use parchment paper. But if like you are not a chef or you don't bake, most probably you don't have parchment paper. So you can use regular brown paper. Just put it on the plate. Take a certain amount, just roll it into a ball and then just flatten it like that. Just put it in a pot in the paper, roll it again, flatten it, like shape it like cookies. And last one, exactly 3. I actually know what I'm saying, people. I actually do. Alright, so like guys, it is actually super easy. We will put it like that, and then I am just going to pop it into the microwave for around a minute, and then we'll see. This is the end look. It's an actual cookie, like you can just even break it apart. After I removed it from the microwave, just give it some time to cool off so it can harden, and you're good. So you have like your whole chocolate. It has chocolate chip and it's actually chocolate. So I have chocolate chip cookies and didn't even use an oven. So that's me today. I am the Lazy Chef, and I'll see you next time with another episode.